Dr. Selina Johnson here at the London Cosmetic Clinic, number 4 Harley Street, London. We are really excited to introduce you to our latest treatment, Coolsculpting Elite, the famous fat freezing which has been done over 8 million treatments around the world. So the Coolsculpting Elite is the latest machine of the Coolsculpting, which has more advantage in terms of power of the freezing and also reduce the time of the treatment because we can apply the applicator, 2 applicators in the same time, whereas the old machine is only 1 at a time. So the Coolsculpting Elite has a very safe profile because it's US Food and Drug Administration approved for the safe fat reduction treatment. So the Coolsculpting Elite can be treated in around 9 areas in your body, starting from double chin, so we can help define your jawline. Then you go to around the brow fat here, which is quite common, and then go around to the back part, and also obviously the abdomen, upper and lower abdomen. Go to the outer thigh, inner thigh, and the knees, and also the bingo wing at the arms as well. So the treatment is really versatile for the area that you feel like this fat is so stubborn, can't get rid of it from your diet and exercise. Now at the London Cosmetic Clinic, we really prioritize our patient safety. So these treatments, we decided that will be treated by only the doctors. So you will have a consultation with myself or our house doctor, and then we decide the area, we check your medical history to make sure you're suitable for the treatments. We examine the area, apply the template of the Coolsculpting to determine how many applicator, or we call cycle, that patient needs. For example, on the chin area, it could be 1 applicator, or if it's large double chin, it could be 2 or 3 applicators to get maximum definition on your jawline. During the consultation, when we decide the cycle, that will also determine the cost of the treatment and the time of the treatment and the number of the treatment itself as well. Now, the Coolsculpting Elite has much safer profile compared to the traditional surgical liposuction treatment, which give quite similar results. There is no cutting of the skin with Coolsculpting Elite or no use of the anesthesia. And the patient, after they finish the treatment, you can go back to your normal lifestyle. Now, the actual procedure itself, we get you ready in your patient gowns. We do the marking on the area, taking photos, get you on the bed, and then we apply the applicators on the area, and we will have a strap around to fix the applicator. Then what you will feel is, you will feel like your skin being sucking in to the applicator. So it's just very slight discomfort, and then you will start to feel warm on the area, which is interesting because we think that you will feel really cold, but actually not. You feel warm and then you just feel numb on the area. During the treatment, most patients didn't feel anything much. They just, looking at their phone or movies. Each cycle of the treatment would take around 35 to 45 minutes. So that depends on how many cycles that you need. For example, if you have, you're treating the abdomen and you have 4 cycles, and we can put 2 at a time, that each cycle takes 35 minutes. So will be 2 sessions of the cycle, so there will be around 70 minutes, for example. Immediately after the treatment, when we remove the applicator, we will do the massage of the area, the treated area. This is really important because the massage helps break down the fat cell and give you a better result. So we ensure that you got a proper massage after the treatment. It might feel slightly more discomfort compared to putting the machine on, but it's only 2 minutes of the massage. And then when you finish, the area will look a little bit red, which disappear within few hours. There's a chance of slight bruising on the area or slight swelling. After the treatment, we recommend to wear a loose garment. And also you can use warm compress or taking some painkiller if you feel some discomfort. But most patients say that they just feel like achy, like they after the exercise for a couple of days. So that depends on how many cycles that you do in one go. For the treatment result, the good news is the result is permanent. And if you put on weight, obviously the area that you hadn't been treated will obviously get bigger, but the area that you had the treatment, that won't be bigger. The result itself, you could see 20 to 25% reduction of the fat that we can pinch on the area in one session. So after 3-4 months, when you see the maximum effect, we will determine that you need another session or not. Commonly, most patients need only one, and then maximum probably about 2 treatments that we have seen. Okay. However, if you really want a bikini body, you can go around all the area that you needed. Could be 1 or 2 sessions. So this is quite an interesting thing because most patients are really seeing the result and then they would like to have more treatment in other areas. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to see you at the clinic soon.